asking for your letters of recommendation for your graduate school applications is actually a very simple process. In terms of actually asking, all you have to do is ask. So I would say approach whoever you're considering for your letters of recommendation. And if you can in person, approach them in person and ask them if they'd be willing to write a letter for you. If you can't approach them in person, then write a nice, cordial, but a well-structured email that you send to them where you just ask if they would have the time to write a letter of recommendation for you, tell them what you're interested in applying into, just make it very clear what you're looking for. So that's the asking part. But what's really important to keep in mind is that you should be building relationships with professors early on in your undergraduate degree, or with mentors or bosses or whoever you're going to be asking for your letters of recommendation. Don't just ask somebody that you have basically no relationship with. I mean, you can do that, and it's not like they won't do it for you, but the letter of recommendation isn't going to be very strong. So the more of a relationship you have with your professor, your mentor, whoever it is, the better of a letter that you're going to get. And that's why it's important to establish those relationships early on.